Welcome to another Vanlife travel episode. After kayaking and by the docks Ayungon, we went to the next town, Bindoy. There was a newly opened resort we want to go to. It's like a theme park with faux dinosaurs and safari animals, or whatever you want to call them. I was thinking the kids would definitely love it. Of course, I want to also support locals, so I want to do this on my channel moving forward. Now we're gonna head off to this resort, this new resort in Bindoy. It's called the Cugon Resort. It looks good in the photos, so we're gonna try to check out the place. Ang puti ko ba? Mga sunscreen yan guys, pasensyahan nyo na. Guys, I can see the dinosaur.
Asa ko na, hindi mo nakita itong dinosaur.
Oh. Ada? Huh? Oh, I can see it. Oh, this is the Negros. Right now we're set up for a grill. We just bought like a kilo of pork for us, or meat, pork for us to grill. Then we're gonna have rice and probably order. They have a restaurant here. I'm not gonna go swimming, it's super hot. really tired, so I'll try to set up my bed here so I can lie down a bit. While I'm waiting for the kids to finish swimming. I can't swim in that heat. It's super hot. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oy, umuulan. Raining. So the kids are here and we're leaving now. We're off to the reef farm of Tanhai. Check out my next video.